Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add your logo to your Blocksy mobile menu. Okay, so you can see here, if we clicked on our hamburger menu here, we have a search bar, our menu, and some details and social media icons. What if we wanted to have our logo up top over here? All right, we can either click the paintbrush icon here, but you guys are probably more familiar with clicking on customize, but it's the same thing, as you can see. And that takes us to the WordPress customizer. Alright, once we're here, let's go ahead and change our preview from desktop, tablet to mobile. And let's click on menu. Let's click on header. And over here, we have our off canvas area. So if we were to deselect this, you can see we have our logo, we have our trigger, we have our account, we have our cart. And we can put our logo from there to here. And unfortunately, as you can see, we can only add one. So another way to do this is to use this HTML one or a content block or a widget area here. Click on that, and you can see we can just add an image and oops, not uploaded. Oops, sorry. And just choose one of these, and it should appear over here, right? And then we can customize how this looks like by resizing this image. Oops. Let's go to click the same one again and resize it and make it a bit smaller. There you go. Much nicer. So we now have a logo on our header here, and we also have our logo here in our mobile menu. So we're happy with that. Let's click on publish. And let's reload our site. We have our logo there, and we also have our logo here in our mobile menu. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.